Hello guys, we're gonna buy something for the shop. Let's go. Here's the way. Here's the way.
It's so hot.
Just walk the path. Here. Tara guys, samahan niyo kami din. Editor, do you want to buy something?
It's so hot.
Go, editor! Say what you want.
Ano?
Pabili eh.
Ano?
Roller coaster. What do you want? And the editor?
You want some mangwan
Nang mangwan ini.
brown.
The editor yan guys. Meron tayong personal editor, syempre, na nagbibideo sa akin. Kapag naging ako sikat, pupunta ako sa mga subscribers ko, tapos bibigyan ko sila ng pera na binigay nila sa akin guys. Pangarap ko rin ito yung YouTuber. Okay, ngayon na tayo gumagawa ng YouTube account. Good naman. If you hit, I'm gonna hit my first 10 million subscribers in the day I die. Goodbye.